Ever wonder if restaurant reservations could flow as smoothly as designing your floor plan? After perfecting the layout for our northern restaurant, it's time to level up, building a seamless reservation system on Odoo 19.
To create a custom reservation system on Odoo 19, we will need to enable booking option under POS interface. But the feature isn't available by default, so we need to configure it manually. Open the point of sale app, then go to configuration menu and select settings. Scroll down to POS interface and enable booking option. But activation the booking feature alone won't complete the setup. Therefore, under appointment type, select Northern Reservation and finally save the changes. Now that we have configured booking in the point of sale module for the restaurant, let's explore appointment module. Here you can create a new reservation system or modify an existing one. Therefore, a reservation system is already set up for us, so let's click on Configure button and make some changes. On the main page, you can name your reservation system, set dining duration period, and provide restaurant location. On another side of the screen, you can configure book policy and resources, along with the assignment and manage capacity. Under Resources, add tables you created during the floor plan creation. Assignment option is the way you want to assign resources or guests when the guests book a table at your restaurant. And Manage Capacity option is the maximum amount of people resources can handle.
Could you please advise me how I can configure the booking system to automatically combine tables for the 8 guests?
Good question. Odoo 19 has built-in function to automatically join 2 tables for large groups of guests. However, you need to configure before it. Follow me. On the top of the screen you will see the Resource Smart button. By clicking on the Smart button and selecting Table 1, you can customize table capacity, time zone, select if the table is shareable. Under Link Resources, select the table you want to link with. Excellent. The last is to save the changes. Now, let's explore the 4 tabs on our main page. The Availabilities tab allows you to set the dates and times when the guests can book a table at Northern Restaurant. Under Question tab, add any question you would like to ask your guest during the reservation.
Do you know if we are currently asking a guests about phone number when they book a table?
Currently no, but few clicks and the question will appear on the reservation screen. Simply click Add line, select Phone Number Set. Click on the question and let's make the answer to this question mandatory. Now, we are asking guests for a phone number during the reservation. Alright, let's move on. I will show you how Odoo helps you communicate with guests. Either you want to leave an introduction message about your restaurant or inform guests about successful confirmation. All you need to do is add the desired text. I also know it is important to keep communication with guests and reminding them of their reservations. Emails and SMS provides an effective way to send reminders. Under Reminders section, select communication type, email or SMS, along with the timing, and configure templates for booking confirmation and cancellations. The last important tab is the Option tab, where you can customize display option for reservation system.
Alex, the last part of configuration I'm looking for is the option to auto-confirm reservation without manual approval. Is it possible on Odoo 19?
Yes, it is possible. Therefore, you can set maximum booking percentage field which caps how much of a time a slot's capacity can be booked automatically. For example, 80% will leave buffers for walk-ins or adjustments. To enable, simply click on the checkbox beside the auto-confirm field and add desired percentage. It's time for demo, and in Odoo 19 you can preview the booking system. Let's click on the Preview button and make our first reservation. Let's reserve the table for 8 guests. Select the desired date and time. Then provide full name, email address, and phone number. In additional information section, we will specify that our friend Julia has a nut allergy and Tom has a dairy allergy. Let's confirm a reservation. Notice, under Resources, the Table 1 and Table 2 are now combined. Do you remember? Reflects the settings we configure in the appointment module.
And that's how you can set up and customize your reservation system in Odoo 19 to create a smooth booking experience for your guests. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tips and tutorials.